Hi guys, so welcome ulit sa Derive and dito tayo sa last item or the last sample problem for the topic of pressure, still sa thermodynamics. So I will read the question first. A simple mercury manometer connected into a flow line gives readings as shown in the figure. Local gravity is standard and the mercury density is 0.488 pounds per cubic inches. So find the pressure at point X on the flow line, and left leg column has air whose density is 0.072 pounds per cubic feet. And for letter B, water whose density is 62.1 pounds per cubic feet. So let us answer this one. So this is the last item for the pressure. So the question is looking for find the pressure at the point X. And this is the point X. On the flow line in the left leg column, so this is the left leg column, air whose density is 0.072. So ang air whose density, ayan, is pounds per cubic feet. Or we can also say that this is the specific weight. Basta usapang what you call that? Kapag usapang English ang unit. Pero kapag metric, involves si gravity. Pero kung English ang unit, so it should be also the specific weight. So pwede natin siyang tawagin na specific weight. So weight, burahin lang natin. Okay. Ayan. Kasi alam naman natin sa pag-usapang pressure, damay si specific weight, damay din si height, lalo na may mga given numbers. Okay, so ang hinahanap is find the pressure at X. Given that the left leg column has a density of air of 0.072 pounds per cubic feet. Meaning, dito sa letter A, itong part na to or the left leg column, this column is composed of air. And this is composed of mercury, of course, dito sa parting payu. And syempre, pataas, ito ay mercury pa din, itong 25 inches na height. And of course, the height of the air is 40 inches. So that was 40 inches and 25 inches. So hindi pa nang maging feet to, no? Syempre. So that was a 40 and a 25 inch. Okay, so let us start this. So in order for us to acquire the pressure at X, ang magiging technique natin dito guys is that the pressure, lahat ng hatiin natin sa gitna. Yeah. Lahat ng pressure nandito sa left is equal to the pressure at the right. Tama? Again, so the pressure, lahat ng nandito sa left is equal or equivalent also to the pressure of the right. Okay, so pwede natin umpisahan. So the pressure at X plus ito yung point X natin. So this is air. Okay, so this color is air, this light gray. So it can also that we can write also that this is the pressure of the air plus the pressure of the mercury from here to here. Okay. Pero cancel na yan kapag umakyat tayo, why? Kasi it has the same height. Tama? Tama. So sabihin natin H yan. So pwede kong, sige, sabihin natin 1, 2, 3. So from pressure 1 to 2, kasi point 1 to 2. As I said earlier, that this is the left column and it should be equal also to the right, the summation of the pressure. So from point 2 to 3, that was the pressure 2 to 3. And we may say that this from point 3 to point 4. So that was mercury. Sabihin natin mercury na lang. And of course, since this is an open, meaning it is the pressure of atmospheric. Tama? It is the atmospheric pressure. So sabihin natin atmospheric na lang. Kasi kapag nilagay ko ang air, kasi air naman din talaga, so mababaliwala ito. So it should be differentiate. Dapat maiba. Okay. So ano mga pwedeng cancel natin dyan? So ang pwede natin cancel dyan, we all know that the pressure is gamma H. we all know that this point from point 1 to point 2 is also equivalent from point 2 to point 3. So, pinakita ko lang dito na yung summation ng pressure ng left should be summation ng pressure ng right. That's equal. That's equal. Pero we all know that this is the same height, meaning kung 1 itong specific weight mo rito at 2 ito, h mo dito, so that 1 times 2, 2. Para siyang 2 dito, that is 2, that is 2. Of course, it is cancelled. Okay. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, ang Px daw is equal to pressure ng mercury plus pressure ng atmospheric minus pressure ng air. So, we'll know that pressure is equivalent to specific weight times height. Kagaya ng mga nauna nating sinolve kanina, pwede nating malaman muna sa isang pressure yung unit analysis niya at ipapattern na lang natin mamaya. So, umpisahan natin siya sa pressure ng mercury. And ang pressure ng mercury is specific weight times height ng mercury. At ang specific weight ng mercury ay, sabi, 0.488 pounds per cubic inch multiplied by its height. So what's the height? So that was 25 inches. Kagaya rin ng kanina dito, wala nang given na height kasi nga cancel yung from point 1 to point 2, from point 2 to point 3. So there's no need of height from that kasi canceled na yung pressure nila. So the height for the mercury is 25 inches. So sakto. Wala tayong kailangang i-convert sa feet to inches or inches to feet. So cancel lang isang inches. So matitira 2 inches. So that was pounds per square inch. So that was 0.488 times 25. So that was 12.2 pounds per square inch. So pare-paras naman ng unit ng height. So magiging pattern na lang nito natin dito yan. So the pressure at point X is equal to pressure ng mercury. So that was 12.2 plus the atmospheric pressure that was 14.7 minus pressure ng air. We all know that is gamma H. So that was specific weight which is sabi 0.072 yung may underline sa letter A. And the height of the air is 40 inches. So alam natin na pounds per square inch na to. Kahit hindi natin isa-isahin kasi alam natin na pounds per square inch na dito. Basta and as long as we are copying the pattern or the pressure of the mercury. So that total pressure at point X is 12.2 plus 14.7 minus 0.072 times 40. So the answer is, wait. Oh, wait. So medyo nalito lang ako dito pero hindi pala ito dapat rekta. Kasi bakit? Ang given na mercury kanina is pounds per cubic inches. Pero ang given na density here is pounds per cubic feet. So akala ko pare-parehas. Pero pare-parehas ang ang unit ng height. So that will become 40 inches. So in order for this to become pounds per square inch, so gaya ng ginawa natin kanina, so it should be in every 1,728 cubic inch, there is 1 cubic foot. So cancel si cubic feet, inches divided by cubic inches, so ang matitira, inches squared sa ilalim. So ayan. So that is in pounds per square inch na or PSI. So that was 12.2 plus 14.7 minus 0.072 times 40 divided by 1728. So the answer is 26.898 PSI or pounds per square inch. So that was for the letter A. And how about the letter B? Sabi, water whose density is 62.1 pounds per cubic feet. So, para niya tayo malito guys, pwede natin kopya yung solution na to as long as we replace the density and the height of the air by water. So, pwede natin siyang kopyahin. So, that was Px is equal to 12.2 plus 14.7. Again, this is for mercury. And this is for the atmospheric pressure. So minus, ano yung density natin dito? So since pareha silang pounds per cubic feet, we are following this pattern. So that was 62.1 times ang magiging height niya ng water is again 40 pa rin kasi pinalitan mo lang naman yung density niya. Wait. So that was divided by 1728 na. Okay, so that was for the water. So the pressure at X is equivalent to 12.2 plus 14.7 minus 62.1 times 40 divided by 1728. The answer is 25.46 PSI. Okay, so we have already the answer for the letter A and for the letter B, which is 26.898 or almost 27 PSI for air, or for the pressure at X if the air is given at the left leg column, and pressure X is equal to 25.46 PSI if the given is air on the left leg column respectively. So ayan. Ayun, nakalimang item tayo for the topic of pressure, and I hope guys na tuto kayo and na-refresh kayo ng marami. Ayun, salamat sa pakikinig, and don't forget to subscribe sa ating YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page na nakalagay sa link. And let us learn and let us review and Engineer HB, and thank you again. God bless. Goodbye. Bye-bye.